सोनशी मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्ट प्रकरणाची हायकोर्टान स्वेच्छेन दखल घेतल्या। सरकार आणि प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाक नोटीस काढल्या। कोर्टान थळावे पीआय कडच्यान अटक केल्ल्या गांवच्या लोकांचो स्टेटस रिपोर्टही मागला। प्रदूषण जाता म्हूण लोकांनी गांवची मीन येरादारी आडायल्ली। कोर्टान गांवच्या 45 जाणांक 14 दिसांची न्यायालयीन कादय फरमायल्ली। ते कोलवाळे जेलीत आसात। काँग्रेसींनी सरकाराचेर फोग काढलो।
मायनिंगाक लागून सोनशे सत्तरीन धुल्ल्याचे प्रदूषण जाता म्हूण लोकांनी तापयल्ल्या इशूची हायकोर्टान स्वेच्छा दाखल केल्या। मिडियान आयिल्ल्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाण सोनशीचो प्रकार लोकांच्या रायट टू लिव्ह अधिकाराक बांधता। कोर्टान गोय सरकार आनी प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाक फुडल्या सप्तकांत जाप दिवंक सांगल्या। जांचे आवय बापूय कोलवाळे जेलीन आसात ती भुरगीं मोर्चा घेवन पुलीस स्टेशना भायर आसात। आवय बापायक कस्टडींतल्यान मुक्त करून घरांत हाडात म्हूण तांची मागणी। हायकोर्टान ह्या गजालीची दखल घेतल्या। कोर्टान थंयचे पीआय कडच्यान तांचेर स्टेटस रिपोर्ट मागला। ह्या केशीन कोर्टाक आदार करपाक हायकोर्टान एमिकस क्युरी नेमला। फाटल्या मंगळारा सोनशेच्या लोकांनी गांवांतलो मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्ट आडायलो। वाळपय पुलिसांनी गांवच्या लोकांक बायलां सयत भितर उडयले। उपरांत वाळपयच्या जेएमएफसी कोर्टान गांवच्या 45 जाणांक 14 दिसांचे न्यायालयीन कस्टडीन कोलवाळे जेलीन धाडले। सद्याक सोनशेचो सुमार अर्दो गांव कोलवाळे जेलीन आसा।
काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष फालेरान सोनशी प्रकरणात उलयतना सरकार असंवेदनशील आसा असो आरोप केलो।
I don't know what sadistic pleasure this government is taking by giving them this free dust pollution and then putting them behind the bars. बायलां व्हरून भितर उडयलें। आतां भुरगीं भायर सरलें। भुरग्यांक इस्कला वचपाक मेळना, भुरग्यांक शिकपाक मेळना, भुरग्यांक कांय करपाक मेळना। पोल्यूशन इतली वाडलां, घरांनी पोल्यूशन जालां। आनीक जरी तरी कोणूय आपल्यागे दिरे थक मागपाक भायर गेलो तेंका व्हरून भितर उडोवप, ही कितें सालाजार शाय? Have some feeling for the poor people, for the suffering people. This is the suffering humanity of Goa. Government must release these women. I don't know what sadistic pleasure they get by keeping these women behind the bars.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार।
काँग्रेसीचो सिनियर आमदार आपलो बापूय फुडली वेंचणूक लडोवचो ना। प्रतापसिंह राणेचे हे निमाणे इलेक्शन। तो पर्याय आनीक उबो रावचो ना म्हूण ताचो पूत मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन घोशणा केल्या। प्रुडंटाच्या हेडोनात विश्वजीत उलयतालो। काँग्रेस सोडून बीजेपीत वचपाचो निर्णय घेतला तो काँग्रेसीक विटून आनी फक्त सत्तरीचे उदरगतीक लागून। राहुल गांधीच्या फुडारपणान काँग्रेस आनीक काबार जावपाची आसा म्हूण विश्वजीत उलयलो।
म्हाका दिसता की आय हॅव जेल्ड वेल इन द बीजेपी एंड आय एम शुअर दॅट आय विल जेल इन अ प्रॉपर वे एंड देर बी नो sort of a situation where it's going to take time for me. म्हाका तरी दिसताले की हे जे लोकल नेतृत्व हांकां इच्छाच नासली इलेक्शन जिखपाक। हे इलेक्शनाचो रिजल्ट आयल्या उपरांत आमचे काही ठरावीक कार्यकर्ते कडेन चर्चा चालू आसली आनी लोकांक दिसले की हांवें एक वेगळे तरेचे निर्णय घेवपाची गरज आहा आनी त्याच प्रमाणे हांवें तो निर्णय घेतलो। हे सिंगल हँडेडली हांवें निर्णय घेवपाक म्हणून हांवें निर्णय घेवंक ना। सत्तरीच्या हितान जे कितें योग्य, लोकांच्या हितान जे कितें योग्य। पूण म्हाका तरी दिसता की काँग्रेसचें नेतृत्व पळयल्यार आनी राहुल गांधीचे एटिट्यूड पळयल्यार म्हाका कसलोच फ्युचर दिसना हांचे कडेन। दिग्विजय सिंग आनी राहुल गांधीचे मदीं ही सगळी चर्चा चलता। ह्या दोगांक दोश दिवपाची गरज आहा आनी गोंयचे जनतेन तांकां मॅन्डेट दिल्लो एंड आय थिंक द पीपल ऑफ गोवा should punish these people because they don't deserve a mandate. And हे लोक सांगता की जेन्ना विरोधी पक्ष नेतो वेळ आयिल्लो जेन्ना दिगंबर कामतान सांगलें आपल्याक नाका, मागीर म्हाजें नांव कांय आमदारान सुचयलें आनी हांवें सांगलें तुमचें कांयच म्हाका नाका आनी हांव उठून भायर सरलो। अदर आय वूड हॅव बीन लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन इन काँग्रेस। आयडियोलॉजी म्हणटा तो विकासूच आसूंक जाय आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की विजय सरदेसाईन जो निर्णय घेतला योग्य निर्णय घेतला इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट। कारण मनोहर पर्रीकर also is a very experienced leader, and I feel that things were much better when he was in Goa. And I have tremendous faith in his leadership in terms of delivery.
तुमचे आरोप जाता की you have betrayed your voters because voters elected you on the Congress symbol.
Betrayal चा प्रश्नच आहे ना. I am going to seek a fresh mandate of the people of Sattari, and I am confident I will win with a thumping margin. But I don't feel that because my father has been a tall leader in Congress party, I should also follow the same ideology, or I cannot change my thinking. And at some point of time in life, one has to take a different course in the interest of the people. What is in the best interest? There may be a lot of criticism, but you should have the confidence and you should believe in yourself that what you are doing is right. And I believe today that what I am doing is absolutely right. I am convinced that I have taken the right decision. I have gone as a father, I have taken the blessings of myself, not as a congressman.
Correct.
As a father, I have taken his blessings. He will always be the most respected person in my life because I am in politics because of him. And I have got whatever credibility in Sattari is because of his credibility and goodwill. That he will always be my tallest figure in my life. That doesn't change just because he is in Congress and I am in BJP.
It's an odd situation. खूप जण म्हणतात की you created very odd situation for Pratap Singh Rane without thinking from his point of view. How would you respond to
I am
that?
46 now. I have to think from my point of view. I'll be 50 in another 4 years.
Before the next election.
Before the next election, I'll be within 4 years I'll be 50.
Correct. Before the
so, but
next.
at 46, I should be able to take some decisions which are relevant to my people and what is relevant to today's political times and situation. एक गोष्ट हांव सांगूंक सोदता रेकॉर्डाचेर की हांव बीजेपीन फक्त ट्रांझिट पॅसेंजर म्हणून येवंक ना. हांगा रावपाक म्हूण आयला आनी काँग्रेसचे म्हाका विशयच येना.
Vishwajit Rane leaving Congress is like Rahul Gandhi leaving Congress on a national scenario.
Perhaps if I was Rahul Gandhi, I would have done a better job than Rahul Gandhi. No, my father cannot think like me, you know. He's a different. He has been Chief Minister of Goa. You cannot expect Mr. Rane to take a different view or different. He has his own view, which has to be respected. I have my view, which is to be respected. And I think the people of Goa should respect the decision I have taken. आणि 70 ओव्हरचो विषय आयज आनी फुडें येवचो ना. So there is no question of me letting down Shri Manohar Parrikar at all. And if anybody feels that I am the same fiery Vishwajit Rane of 5 years back, I have also matured over the last 5 years. I have also seen.
You have not become less fiery.
No, but I am not going to create any kind of situation or work in a pattern that creates any disturbance either in the party or in the government.
एक गजाल तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट केले की तुम्ही पर्यायच्या विकासाचे लक्ष दितले, पर्याय काम करतले. Now this is a very interesting scenario again. जसं आम्ही पहिले उलयतालो की you are the MLA of Valapur and you are saying I will go to Porye. How does that dynamic work?
See, like I said, I being in the BJP, automatically everything becomes saffron. So as simple as that.
Are you saying that you want a BJP MLA in Porye after decades and decades and decades?
My father is not going to contest again. This is his last term. But definitely, we have to ensure that his goodwill also is taken into consideration. He's got tremendous goodwill in Sattari. So I have to work in a very different way without hurting his sentiments. I have to work in a way because he's ultimately my father. And same time, I have to also ensure that BJP gets stronger. And I'll work without hurting anybody's sentiment. I will do what I have to do.
दीनदयाळ हेल्थ इन्शुरन्स स्कीम सरकाराची फ्लॅगशिप स्कीम असूनही यशस्वी करपाक जमले ना. फ्लॅगशिप येवजणेचे हे हाल जाल्यार बाकीच्यो स्किमी आनी प्रशासन कशें चल्लां आसतलें ते पळयात म्हूण काँग्रेसीन दुबाव घेतला. दीनदयाळ स्किमीक सरकार पयशे घालता, मात अर्धे इन्शुरन्स कंपनीच्या बॉल्सांत. ट्रिटमेंटाक न्ही, सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांचे सरकाराक स्किमीचेर जाय तशे रिटर्न्स येनात म्हूण प्रुडंटान आयतारा ही गजाल एक्सपोज केल्ली.
दीनदयाळ स्वास्थ्य सेवा येवजणेच्या 6 म्हयन्यांचो प्रुडंटान नियाळ घेतिल्लो. येवजणेत सध्या क्लेमा परस प्रिमियम डबल जाला म्हूण 6 म्हयन्यांचो डेटा सांगता. भाजपा सरकार आपली फ्लॅगशीप येवजण यशस्वी करपाक शकना म्हूण काँग्रेसीन टिका केल्या. सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांचे स्कीम चालीक लावंक तशें अपग्रेडेशन जावंक नाशिल्ल्यान ही परिस्थिती म्हूण काँग्रेस टिका करता.
Now this scheme, which was put in practice by the BJP-led state government, has been analyzed yesterday by your prudent media in a well-researched manner. It has examined the scheme and its implementation, and it is very clear that this scheme has not been a success. It has failed, because if you see the statistics as per your own researched information, the state government has spent about 20 crores 53 lakhs as premium to the insurance company. Private hospitals have put claims to the tune of about 9 crores 68 lakhs. That means about 10 crores the government has paid insurance company, and in other words, the insurance company has earned 10 crores within the short span of implementation of this scheme. To ensure its own flagship scheme on healthcare to succeed, imagine what is the state of governance and administration. It's a very sorry state of affairs. You see, it is the primary duty of the government to put government hospitals in proper place and proper shape. You see, your South Goa district hospital is crying for completion. 5 years of BJP government has passed. Nothing has happened. It is missing deadlines, or it is made to miss deadlines. Primary health centers, urban health centers, community health centers, your state hospital of GMC, all need upgradation.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.